Stick this bad boy back in the oven. Another 20 minutes. Bob's your uncle, mate.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, I'm gonna be making something that I don't know the name of. It involves potatoes, cheese, cream and mortadella. Basically, I'm gonna be baking some potatoes and mixing it up with all the other ingredients that I just mentioned earlier. I don't know the name of the title, I don't know what I'm going to call it, but I'll come up with something. Before we go to the next stage, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button. At the end of the video, drop me a like on one of these bad boys, and don't forget to comment below, okay? Right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have our seafood chopping board. And then we got 3 potatoes. Now, usually you're supposed to use wooden spoons to do this, but I don't have wooden spoons, so I'm gonna use 2 of my butter knives, right? Place it on there like so, right? Never done it before, I'm gonna give it a go using metal on metal. You wanna get your knife, and all you want to do is, chop down the middle, alright? Now the reason why you want to use thicker ones is because you don't want it to go too far down for it to not, I don't know what I'm saying. Basically, you want to use thicker ones so you got space underneath the bottom. It doesn't tear apart. Yeah? Does that make sense? Does that make sense to you all, mate? Yeah? Are we all good on that? Are we on the same page now? Yeah? Right. See that? Bob's your uncle, mate. Now, you want to get one of these bad boys. No handles, everything bang on metal. Alright? You want to stick it on there. Boom. Boom and boom, right? You can use 3, you can use 4, you can do what you like. I'm only doing what I want to do, alright? So, that's what you got to do. And you want to do, what you want to do is simply get a bit of olive oil, stick it on there, make sure it covers the whole thing. Preferably don't go crazy like I did with a lot. Try and reduce that amount. And then I got me a nice little pinky brush, and you just want to like brush it in, make sure it covers everywhere, okay? Because this is going to go in the oven for about an hour. Oh, by the way, which reminds me, I should turn it on and leave it at 200 preheat. Right, get some of that going on, get some of that action going on there. Right, just do this with your potatoes. Lovely jubbly, alright. Look at that. Look at that, my old son. Good. Right, that's looking lovely, isn't it? Right. And then, just to top it off, you just want to put a pinch of salt. I know everyone nags at me like about my potatoes, about my potatoes. Everyone nags at me how you salt salt. And what, fam? Yeah, there you go. That's it. That's just for the fam. Let this bad boy go in the oven for 1 hour, guys. 1 hour. 200 degrees, 1 hour. See you later. It is time to bring out the potatoes. Oof. There we are. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, leave that to a side. Let that cool down a little bit, right? Because we're obviously gonna need to get hands-on with that. So, you're gonna bring this bad boy out again. You're gonna bring out a knife, take out a few slices. of mortadella. Okay. And all you want to do is literally cut it evenly. Okay. That's it. Job done. But we have to wait a while for these to cool down, because if you want to touch them, boy, it's going to be hot. And I've got some cheese here as well. I should have got more really, but there you go. What can I say, eh? What can I say? So just do that. All I'm going to do is take 3 layers away. Okay, this is for later. And what you want to do, chop it down the middle, chop it down the middle. I hope this is going to be enough. I don't know. Time will tell. But I'm going to try and attempt to do this now, because having to wait, I don't really like waiting. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. But yeah, every other one. There's a lot of hand thing involved in this, so make sure that when you're touching all this food in that, your hands are clean, yeah? Don't be nasty coming out the toilet and not washing your hands. Don't be one of them ones. You want to get your double cream? Go all over it, mate. Double cream. Cream it, son. Cream out the whole thing, mate. You know what I mean? But don't just do it, like go all over it so it covers the whole shebang bang. You know what I mean? Yeah. Try and cover your stuff. Don't just, yeah. Lovely. And now, oh, let me put this bad boy back on again. At 200 again. Now, put those last layers just on top, just like so. Right? There you are. Job done. All you need to do now is get rid of that. Stick this bad boy back in the oven. Another 20 minutes. Bob's your uncle, mate. Right, need to be really careful now, because it's bloody hot. This is bloody hot. This is, mate. Let's just turn that off. Right. I can't tell you the smell. Whew. It's there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. I'm just gonna call this the stuffed potatoes. Banging. I'm not gonna take it out from this. I'm just gonna take it and just, you know, take a few pictures with it like that. The sauce is all over the gap. Like, this is actually starting to burn now. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That's beautiful, eh? I need you guys to smash, share, and like, and subscribe, guys. This is your, I'm gonna call it stuffed potato. I don't know. Bon appetit. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come